I do a video review talk, and then I, turn the camera on afterwards, and it don't turn on. DJI, I love you. I love you so much. Hang on, guys. Trash, man. That's where you should go if you can't do the job, right? Hey, Fish, thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate your time. I speak out loud my thoughts of the product I own, and that's DJI. Nothing I could do when the camera works, right? Don't you just like buttery smooth video? And that's the good thing about DJI. It does a good job on it. Hyper smooth also does a good job. And the thing is with GoPro, I don't get one of these things. I don't get that rolling at the beginning of my clips at times. I did a review, oil, what not to do, or don't do this. And I had a number of rolling videos when I hit the start. I think horizon balance with DJI is not 100% spot on. What the heck? Now you start up instantly and I got nothing to say to the DJI? Oh man, I just don't get my camera. Well, I paid the funds. It's a long time. The shots I've done in the morning, like over here, this is all blurry. I'm clear. I don't know. I didn't even hear the beep. What gives, camera? And I want to talk about stuff I've done, not about you. Well, I, cleaned up my backyard. I did it again. I planted the dipladenias. I got another 2. I bought a couple of new pots. I did a lot. I painted. I did a garage fire storm door. I painted that. I really had a lot. And when everything was closed up in the house, man, that door fumes, it was a little too much. Well, here I am, hearing the boat go off, seeing a boat sunk upside down, and the sun's rising, junk in the water, time to get going. Maybe my fingers hit the do not go off. I don't know. Enjoy that sunrise right there. Look at that bad boy as it comes in the camera. Illegal dockers, you don't hook up to a city property pier that's already paid for. I don't get people. We do what we want. And DJI, I get you. We do what you want. It's a short bike ride. I didn't do a great long bike ride. I got out, got some exercise. I want to take it easy. I don't want to overexert myself. Yeah, I saw something. Oh, I got a plan for it? Not at all. I just don't want to, yeah, but I would. Hey, 311. Hey, they got to pick up something. It's just laying on the dirt. I did that. Nothing helps. Oh, what for? Music to my ears. Did you hear that? I heard it. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but sometimes the camera will pick up more noise than you. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot. I did my video. I did my vlog. Enjoy 508. 508? Isn't it like a jeans commercial?